Good morning, students. You are welcome my online class. I hope you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am fine too. My online class is going on. I am Muhammad Anikul Alam, Assistant Teacher of Mundwala Girls High School, Tanor, Rajshahi. Class 10, Subject English Second Paper, Chapter 5, Lesson 3. What we see in the picture, we can say that all are verbs. Now we will discuss classification of verbs. Dear students, you will be able to learn about classification of verbs. We see there are two kinds of verbs. Number one, finite verb and non-finite. Mainly two kinds. Finite verbs are classified into two kinds: principal verb and auxiliary verb. Principal verbs are two kinds: transitive verb and intransitive verb. Auxiliary verbs are two kinds: primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Non-finite verb: infinitive, principal and gerund. Infinitive, participle and gerund. Participle are three kinds: present participle, past participle and perfect participle. Classification of verbs. Principal verb. Verbs which are used independently without the help of other verbs are called principal or main verb. Example: he is a singer, she does her job. Principal verbs are of two types. Depending on the subject, they take transitive verb. Transitive verb is an action verb that requires one or more objects which receive the action of the verb in the sentence. Examples: she reads the book. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is an action verb that requires no direct object in the sentence. Examples: she reads. There is no object in the sentence. We are discussing about classification of verbs. Auxiliary or helping verb. Example: he is singing a song. Auxiliary verbs are of two types: primary or tense auxiliaries such as be, am, is, was, are, were, been, being, have, has, had, having, do, does and did. Example: I am doing the job. Present continuous tense. Rina was sleeping that moment. Past continuous tense. Modal auxiliaries such as can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, need, dare, used to, ought to, etc. Modals only take the base form of verbs after them. Example, shall we start the game? Asking the question. You should read the book attentively. Finite and non-finite verbs. Finite verb, a verb which changes its form according to the number, person or tense and must has subject is called finite verb. Example, I saw her crying. He makes me proud. Non-finite verb. A non-finite verb is a form of verb that is not limited by person, number or tense in a sentence and cannot act as main verb. There are three kinds of non-finite verbs: infinitive, gerund and participle. We are discussing about verbs. Infinitive verb is a non-finite verb that is made up of 2 plus base son of verb. Example, he likes to play football. Example, make her stand. Gerund. Example, I saw her crying. Swimming is good for health. Participles. A participle is verbal but works as an adjective. Participle can be following types. Present participle. Present participle is made by adding ing to the base form. Example, a swimming snake bit him in the leg. Individual word. What is verb? Question. What are the classification of verbs? Dear students, give some examples of principal verb, auxiliary verb, infinitive verb, participle and gerund. Write some sentences with gerund, modal auxiliaries and primary auxiliaries. Find out verb's name. They have many problems. Rifat wants a pen from Ryan. I walked to the park today. Does he make it? I used to have tea in the evening. The honey tasted sweet. Honey is sweet to eat. You need not leave the place. Seeing is believing. Don't get into a running bus. It is said by them. Homework. Dear students, preparing a chart on classification of verbs along with few examples and showing in the next class. Thank you very much. See you again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.